Have you ever wondered how people are making money online in 2026? You may have seen people talking about YouTube, freelancing, affiliate marketing, online stores, AI, and digital products. But which methods are actually common and realistic? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 of the most common ways to make money online in 2026. Some can be started with almost no money, while others require investment, skills, or an audience. And remember, this is not a promise to get rich quickly. Online income usually comes from providing a useful service, product, skill, or information. Let's get started. Number 1 is freelancing. Freelancing means offering your skills to clients without necessarily working as a permanent employee. You can make money writing articles, designing graphics, editing videos, translating languages, programming websites, managing social media, doing data entry, or providing virtual assistance. For example, imagine a small business owner who needs a professional video but doesn't have time to edit it. If you know video editing, you can do the work and charge the client. The good thing about freelancing is that you don't necessarily need a large investment. Your biggest asset is your skill. Start by learning one valuable skill, create a small portfolio, and look for your first clients. Number 2 is YouTube. YouTube has become one of the biggest platforms for creators to build an audience and generate income. You can make videos about technology, education, entertainment, finance, gaming, cooking, travel, news, or almost any subject people are interested in. Once your channel qualifies for monetization, advertising can become one source of income. But that's not the only one. Creators can also earn through sponsorships, affiliate links, memberships, products and services. The biggest challenge is consistency. You might upload 10 videos and get very few views. Don't give up immediately. A successful channel is usually built one video at a time. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. This is one of the simplest online business models to understand. You recommend a product or service using a special affiliate link. When someone makes a qualifying purchase through your link, you receive a commission. You can promote products through YouTube, websites, blogs, social media, Telegram, email newsletters, and other platforms. For example, if you create technology videos, you could recommend useful software, hosting services, gadgets, or other products relevant to your audience. But there is an important rule. Don't promote everything just because it pays a commission. If you lose your audience's trust, you can lose much more than one commission. Number 4 is e-commerce. This means selling products online. You could sell clothing, electronics, beauty products, accessories, handmade products, food products, or specialized products for a particular market. You can sell through your own website or establish marketplaces. The advantage is that your potential customers are not limited to people walking past a physical shop. However, you need to understand your numbers. Product cost, shipping, advertising, taxes, payment fees, and returns can all reduce your profit. So don't confuse sales revenue with actual profit. Number 5 is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a type of e-commerce where you don't necessarily keep the products in your own warehouse. A customer places an order, and the supplier handles the fulfillment. This can reduce the amount of money required for inventory. But dropshipping is not completely risk-free. You still need to find products people actually want, attract customers, provide customer support, and work with reliable suppliers. If the supplier delivers late or sends a poor quality product, your customer will probably blame your business. So supplier selection is extremely important. Number 6 is selling online courses. If you have knowledge or expertise that other people want to learn, you can turn that knowledge into a course. For example, programming, graphic design, English, accounting, digital marketing, photography, video editing, or even how to use AI tools. You don't necessarily need an expensive studio. A good microphone, screen recording software, and a smartphone or computer can be enough to start. The important thing is solving a real problem. People don't buy courses simply because they contain information. They buy because they want a result. If you need the list to continue, like the video and subscribe. Once 1,000 likes completed, I show you new ways that are effortless.